Jen, thanks for coming out.
Yeah, thanks for having me. I love the approach to your backyard, all your
Thank
hostas
you.
and stepping stones.
We love it very much. We do have a pond that's been giving us some trouble.
I've heard, and I could hear it.
Oh, come
Let's
on
go
back.
check it out.
And
This
here
is
it
beautiful.
is.
This
Yeah,
is beautiful.
thank you. No, it is. We love the pond, and there's really, like this time of year, there's nothing better than sitting on the porch, listening to the pond.
Absolutely. You could hide from the mosquitoes, but I love how it's like mimicking nature. You have natural stones around it, you have a spillway, and you have plants accenting it. It just needs a little bit of love.
Yeah, and we're, this is our first pond. Like, we have no idea what we're doing. We know we got some of the stones have fallen down.
Yeah.
You can see there's a lot of algae in the bottom.
There's a ton, and I think your fish would love it if you cleaned it out a little bit. So I have a very good friend of mine, and I've asked him to come help us. He does all pond restoration, and he's gonna help us figure out how to get rid of the algae, clean up all the little rocks that have fallen, and maybe incorporate a few new boulders.
Fantastic.
Okay, Pat, I'd like to introduce you, my friend Fred.
How you doing?
Pleasure to meet
Nice
you.
to meet
All
you.
right,
He's
thank you
worked
very
on the
much.
show with us several times before, and what's your assessment of this pond?
Pond is great. I mean, it's really in a nice spot with your screen porch. The sound of the waterfall drowns out the traffic, so love all that. It does look a little bit messy. Have you ever done a clean out or drained this at all?
No, we have no idea what we're doing with the pond.
All right, perfect. So I think that's where we should start. We'll do a quick drain and clean on this. What we're doing is mimicking Mother Nature. So in the spring, you get the spring rains, the snow melt, that flushes out the natural rivers, lakes, streams. So by doing the clean out, we're kind of doing the same thing, giving it a fresh start, getting all this debris out of here, and you'll have a much healthier pond through the season.
Great.
I love that it's mimicking Mother Nature. Let's go with it, and let's get started on the draining.
Sounds good. So I've got all the fish in the tank. They're ready to be held while we clean the pond. I'm gonna add an aerator to keep some oxygen going so they can still breathe while we're doing the clean out. So now that we get everything washed, cleaned up, let's spend a little time restacking some of these rocks, covering the liner a little better, stabilizing things, and this thing will start to come back together.
It's gonna be the perfect hiding spot for
Oh,
your fish.
good. You know, we've lost half of them to some unknown predator, so.
It's because there's nowhere to stash
Yeah.
themselves. All right.
So Pat, when we were cleaning this out, I noticed you don't have any lights in here. Do you guys ever sit out here at night?
Oh, we do.
So I think it'd be really cool if we had a few lights to really make this thing pop at night. You can see the fish swimming, they're more active, this thing will glow. I think it'd be cool.
That would be fantastic. Yeah, let's do it.
So I brought a couple low voltage 3-watt LED lights.
Just a couple simple lights just add so much drama in the landscape. It's gonna just
Makes a
illuminate
whole
this
nother
area.
new pond that you'll see at night.
Yeah, this is gonna be great.
Now that the lights are hooked up, we're ready to refill the pond. We'll just take the garden hose and fill it in with nice, fresh, clean water. I want to upgrade the biological filter, add some more filter media to that for the beneficial bacteria to grow on and keep the water crystal clear. We're going to add a little bit of dechlorinator. We're going to add an auto doser, which will automatically add that bacteria for us, so we'll set it and kind of forget it. Then the fish can go back in and we can sit back and enjoy.
All right, everything's clean. The pond is back on, and just let the fishies go back home.
All right, here we go, fish friends. Oh, come on. There we go.
They
Wow.
look so happy.
They look so happy.
They
Look how
do,
clean
yeah.
it is.
It looks fantastic. Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.